The light truck, or LT tire market, is shifting to meet ever-evolving demands from drivers and vehicle designs. While core requirements like tougher construction and higher load capacities remain, there are some key trends dealers need to be aware of across all the different LT tire categories. In this video, let's talk about LT tire trends and growth expectations for the market. One major development in the LT segment has been significant sales growth in North America in recent years. The pandemic amplified interest for trucks for activities like towing, overlanding, and off-roading, which created demand beyond just the traditional highway, all-terrain, and mud-terrain tire segments. The rugged terrain, or RT category, is a good example of this evolution. These tires are positioned between all-terrain and mud-terrain tires to blend in on-road comfort with off-road capabilities. Initially focused on just light trucks, RT sizes are now expanding into CUVs and SUVs too. Another catalyst reshaping LT tires is the rise of electric pickup trucks. With EV truck production potentially surpassing gas engines by 2030, tires have to meet consumer needs while also balancing electric range with low rolling resistance designs. Because of this trade-off, developing specialized, low-noise, high-efficiency tires for electric and hybrid vehicles has become a priority across the overall LT segment as well. While highway truck tires should remain strong sellers, there are opportunities in niche areas like trail-focused all-terrain tires too. The rugged terrain category is posed for major expansion, while dedicated mud terrain options will further expand as well for hardcore off-roading. Other trends include larger rim diameters from new OE fitments and consumer customization preferences. Continued growth in increasing complexity in sizes and segments is expected in the coming years as well. Regardless, as consumers utilize LTs in more driving scenarios, from daily commuting to overlanding, you need to offer a range of LT options for those use cases. When you stay up to date on innovations across highway, all-terrain, rugged terrain, and mud terrain categories, it ensures you can fit the perfect tire for your LT customers. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.